Welcome to eP2P Application User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, user will be guided on how to fill training nomination form. This form is used by supervisor to nominate their subordinates to go to a training program. First, navigate to eForms and click on Training Nomination Form. Supervisors have to select their subordinate and training program on the first page. Only open and available training program that was added by Human Capital Department will be displayed in the program list. Then, click Next. Users are required to review the nominated personnel and training program information on the application and preview form page. Once confirmed, user can submit the form. A notification will pop up showing that the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to user superior for recommendation. Thank you.